Hello friend. So before going to the fundamental analysis of this stock, I wanted to show you the some information about it. So for example, if someone buy this stock in 2006, 2007 or 8, and then the stock price was 74, 75 rupees. Now you can see that this company share price is showing 10,000. So that person must become billionaires or millionaires. So maybe we have to understand the quality of the company. So before, let's go some more detail and fundamental of this kind of company and why this price is moving on upward direction. So you can see the website of the company here. Okay, so you can see on the website the company name is SRF Ltd, and this company is always making a life better for the world. You can see upholding a legacy of value and creating a better future. Multi-business chemical conglomerate engagement in the manufacturing industry, specialty intermediate, touching life of everyone. SRF makes product that touch everyone's life is more better way than one, and without anyone realizing or noticing it. Explore what we make. So you can see companies making the fluorochemical have business, having a specialty chemical business, packaging film business, textile business, coated fabric business, laminated fabric business. A lot of companies having business, and also companies having good social corporate responsibility. So you can see more business and information about the company in the business side of the company. You can listen that the company business module, and you can also see the verticals like fluorochemicals, specialty chemical, film, packaging film, technical textile, coated fabric, laminated fabric, research and development. Companies having research and development, very good sign. Lot of information you can see about the company. So let's see some financial data of the company. Okay. Yeah, so you can read about the company here. Company established in 1970 as SRF Chemical multi-business entity engaged in the manufacturing of industrial specialty intermediate. Company diversified portfolio cover the fluorochemical, specialty chemical, packaging film, technical textile, coated and laminated fabrics. Company business 43% of the revenue. The company chemicals is having you can see two different product segment, fluorochemicals and specialty chemicals. Companies 40% revenues, 43% revenue coming from the chemical business, packaging film business giving 40% of the revenue, and you can say textile 14%, other business 3%. Companies geographically present in the 90 country plus, you can see USA, South Africa, Germany, Switzerland. India is covering 51% of the revenue. So you can see that market cap 61,000, current price 10,329, high is 10,000, low is 3,994, stock P 43, book value 1157, dividend is 0.23, return on capital employed 18, return on equity 20, face value 10, outward 8.69, number of equity says 5.94, growth factor 3, prior risk is 6, solid check 1.03. Companies diluting their equity some, but not a big margin. Okay, reserve power 1.96, price is 0.11, and asset power 1.65. Company's asset is 1.65 of their debt. You can see the chart of the company for the long term. Let's see here the pros of the company. You can see company expected to give quarter here. Company has delivered good profit, 22.86 CAGR. Two cons here: the company is trading 8.93 of its book value. Companies might be capitalizing the interest cost. Grasim, SRF, Filatex, Indorama Century, Vardhman, Pasupati, these are doing same business as per SRF. Quarterly result, you can see the company sales is growing every year, every quarter. So in 2017, 2018 it was 1700 crore, now it is 2600 crore. What exponential growth in last 3 to 4 years. You can see that YOY sales growth is 36, 29, 20. Minus is because of COVID-19 situation. After that, in December again 16, 14, 75%. Expenses also managed by the company. You can see operating margin, company was having 17, 18, 19%, now it is 26, 25, 25%. Good growth in the margin. Other income also improved by the company. You can see here 20, 25, 13 and 14%. Interest, you can see the company is having well interest, basically giving interest, but now slowly they are reducing the interest here, 36 to 28 to 26. Very good sign here. Profit before tax earlier 189 in 2018, now it is 500. Exponential growth in 3 to 4 years. You can see the profit and loss statement for the 10 years for the consolidated basis. You can see the sales was growing from earlier it was 2499 crore, now it is seeing 8400 crore. Excellent exponential and tremendous growth of the companies. Okay, companies also increasing their sales and expenses. Maybe along that the company is maintaining good margin here. Earlier it was 25% margin, now it is also 25 consistent margin for the company. Other income is also earlier having a 10 year back 81 crore, now it is 66 and 51 crore. Now it is also consistent. And so you can see here that the depreciation also managed by the company. Now you can see interest also reduced by the company, 198 to 200 to 134. Very good sign here. So you can see net profit of the company. Net profit is 320 before to you can say 11998 also. Very good sign for the company. Increasing their dividend payout also. Very good sign. You can see the compounded growth of the company is showing. You can see here 9% compounded for 10 years. CAGR for 10 years 42% for the stock. Okay, return on equity is also 17%. Very good sign here. You can see the view of total consolidated is also very good. Okay, share capital company basically reduce their capital into the 1213. Now again it is increasing. It's not a good sign for the company, but it is a marginal. If you see the reserve also, reserve is here. The reserve of the company is growing from 1212 to you can say 1694. Very good sign. Companies increasing their reserve exponentially. Borrowing also, companies having some borrowing, but last 1 year it is decreased from 41 crore to 3400 crore. Very good sign. Okay, and also investment, companies increasing their investment 200 to 414. Other asset you can check, cash, companies having 282 crore cash, increase exponential from last 2 and 3 years. Also trade receivables 1275, inventory 1466. These all things are very good. Loan and advance is 522. Very good sign for the company. Okay, cash, and you can see companies maintaining well cash here ratio. All these things are very flat. Cash conversion cycle is also very good. Working capital also 50 to 48. Very good sign. Return on capital employed improved to 14 to 18%. Promoter holding is decreased in last few years. You can see in June 2020 52.32. Now in December is 50.77, 2% reduced by the company. But who is basically buying this after reducing? You can see FIA buying this stock, DI is also buying this stock, and also the public is also holding this stock. Okay. Good sign for the company. Other recent announcement you can see here, annual report you can also see here. Hope this video helped you understand the fundamentals of SRF company. Always check with your advisor